The more discipline you bring into your life, the more freedom you ultimately gain. Think about it. If you lack the discipline to exercise and eat well, you become a slave to poor health and disease. If you don't have the discipline to work hard and save money, financial stress takes over. And if you cannot manage your time, you will end up with no time at all for the things that you enjoy. But here is the flip side. With self-discipline, the possibilities open up. When you work hard, save and invest wisely, you create financial freedom. When you manage your time effectively, you carve out more free time for what matters most. And when you commit to a healthy lifestyle, your body rewards you with energy and vitality. I know, it seems like the opposite of what we might expect, but I've seen it time and time again. If you want true freedom in your life, it starts with discipline. And it is that simple. Discipline is doing what is not comfortable, but you are doing it to buy what is comfortable.